يدسيت لورا مامي روغوي يتل مامي السرية تيم سي ميang el Chais kakaklang Ngeldei Tulop. Salmawat Meang el Chais, former FSM President Joseph Urusmal, remembered as family mourns ultimately passing away in Palau. Former FSM President Joseph J. Urusmal passed away in Palau on September 17, 2025. Remembered both as a national leader and devoted brother. Urusman from Yaps Waliay and Ifaluk served one term after his 2003 election. His eldest brother, John F. Tawarian, recalled being at his side during his final moments and noted Joseph's lifelong dedication to family. Relatives said his legacy not only lies in his presidency, but also through his personal care and strength. Budget bills stalled as House leaders travel abroad. Palau's 2026 budget is stalled as House leaders travel abroad, leaving no quorum to resolve differences between the Senate and President Surang Whips Jr. Key disputes include audits, worker pay, government structure, taxes, and subsidies. Whip supports a 10% across-the-board raise in new offices, while the Senate favors targeted COLA adjustments, audits for transparency, and reducing PTSD. Without action or a continuing resolution, the government faces a shutdown on September 30. Salmaangya din Meang el Chais, Palau finalizes Independence Day 2025 schedule amid funding challenges. Palau confirmed its 2025 Independence Day events, with the boat race going ahead on September 28 despite funding cuts. Other activities include basketball tournament on September 27, tourism strategy launch on September 29, Maasil Belao and reception on September 30, official ceremony, fair, and fireworks on October 1st, and statewide cleanups with a night market on October 3. Organizers aim for more stable funding in the future. Say, Palau hosts Pacific Power Association Conference spotlighting energy transformation. Palau hosted the 32nd Pacific Power Association Conference themed Smart Grids and Digital Transformation. Over 250 participants, including regional utilities and donors, are exploring ways to modernize energy systems for renewables. PPUC's Torwal Gibbons and PPA's Gordon Chang stressed digital integration, funding, and cooperation as vital for resilient energy across Pacific Islands. Direct Meang el Chais, Palau's UN vote on Palestinian statehood stirs debate at home. Palau's vote against a UN resolution backing Palestinian statehood sparked public backlash despite President Surang Whips Jr.'s defense that the decision aligned with US and Israel for peace and security. Whips framed the move as consistent with Palau's alliances and principles, while many citizens criticized it as morally wrong given Palestinian suffering. Opinions ranged from support for strategic pragmatism to calls for neutrality and humanitarian focus. The controversy highlights Palau's struggle to balance alliances, national interest, and values in global conflicts. Selmolas del Meang el Chais el Alcils, Ngararth governor misses filing deadline and joins re-election as a write-in candidate. Ngararth Governor Sharp Sawuma, seeking re-election, admitted he missed the filing deadline, meaning his name won't be on the ballot. His request for an extension was denied, so he is now running as a write-in candidate alongside others. The PEC set October 20 as the filing deadline for Palau's 12th general election. Ngararth has 1,247 voters, with registration open until October 29. Maluwaysay ay gayid am lasabeen Meang el Chais el Alcils e hokmal masal am lasab amil tunin. Dios lo alma min lo makal tangat teriyid rogui. Bam garik and have a blessed weekend.